Hello everyone, now this is Asif and welcome back my channel. Now this video will help you to how to think in a good way and how to just pick a such kind of small topic to think in a better way because I'm not perfect at English, but the thing is that I'm just trying to give my effort in that kind of way because I believe that if I do in this type of effort, then in future sooner or later become the best version of myself. So I have a topic we have to discuss and you can also practice with me. The topic is that how the most people stay average. Yes, how most people stay average and why overthinking destroy confidence. Yes, do you think why most people stay average? Because they're just trying to stay in a comfort zone. Yes, they are not trying to step out of their comfort zone, but they are just staying in their comfort zone, and always they just trying to daydreaming or thinking just like I don't have a time and I have to wait for a perfect time. So that's the thing, they are average. We don't have to wait for a perfect time. The thing is that we have to make a perfect time. Yes, by doing hard working, a great progress, just like you want to be a perfect at English, but right now right here you are not be able to speak in a good way. But the thing is that if you start learning from right here right now and just trying to give a effort in a consistency way or in a steady way, then trust me, it will reflect after a month or a 6 month or a year, because speaking English is not a game of 1 day, 2 day, or a month, or a 2 week. It's a game of consistency. Yes, it's a game of consistency. We have to practice bit by bit every day. Now you can see, as I talk about my previous life, as my earlier life, I wasn't be able to speak just like a good communicator. Everyone just trying to bully me. Hey Asif, you are not be able to speak English, even though you are not understanding what I'm trying to make you understand. My brothers, my other friends, or the brothers also trying to make the most of my weakness because I was not good at English. At that time I used to nervous or dissatisfied in my life and always think, could I be able to speak English? Who can make me able to understand? Who will trying to learn me? Who will trying to read me? Then trust me, no one can help you. The only person you are and yourself. You have to do a great effort in your learning journey, and every day just you have to learn a five vocabs or a three vocabs and just trying to implement in your conversation. So that's the thing, you have to become a great person in your life. The topic is that how the most people stay average. Have you find it? Because you are in this era and you know very well about the other people, because some people just trying to wake up and they just trying to scroll their phone and finding a such kind of reel, except doing a such kind of learning journey. Yes, that's the difference of successful or the lazy people. Successful always trying to be dedicated towards their ambition, towards their goal, or towards their career. But the lazy people always trying to wait for the perfect time. But the perfect time won't come in their life. Only the successful person just trying to deliver, just trying to dedicate towards their journey, and every day they early wake up and they just trying to set their daily routine, and according to their routine they are stick on it, and always they are focused and be consistent. Yes, that's the thing. If you listen any professional's video or a professor, then you can find a common thing. The thing is that consistency is the key of success. Have you heard about this line? Consistency is the key of success. If you are not be able to speak, if you are not able to write, then you have to write, then you have to speak. If you always stuck while come in front of camera or a mirror, then you have to come. because this is the problem. If you do in this way, then you can overcome your situation, and you might be the best version of yourself from right now, right here, if you do practice. Why I am able to speak English in front of you and you are watching me? Because the thing is that I am curious to learn about English, and this is not a language, this is a skill. If you master this skill, then trust me, everyone can understand you. Even though, as I say about the many people in this world who has a lots of degree but won't be able to speak. Yes, but they can't be able to speak, so that's why they also considered as an illiterate person, not educated, because they are not be able to speak English. But the other hand, those boy who just passed only 10th or 12th, but they are speaking in a very well manner, just like a professional, then he can doing a great thing or getting a good opportunities in their life, except the other person who have lots of degrees, diploma, PhD, or such kind of way. Yes, this is the skill you have to master. I'm not saying that I'm a good, but I'm just still doing a great effort, and if it permits, then I'll definitely trying to do the best thing in my life. Yes, and the line is very famous. I'll keep this momentum going. Means that I have to move consistency with step by step. And because I'm on the roof and there is no one in front of me or surrounding me, so that's why I can able to speak very well manner, because it's a morning time, and everyone just trying to say that it's a productive time, and we have to just utilize in a good way. What in a good way? Just trying to learn, just trying to make some videos or set a daily routine. So this is the key point where you have to be a good version of yourself. Don't stay like a average person, stay like a what, CEO of your life. Yes, CEO of your life, co-founder of your life. You can set your routine, just trying to stick and move forward. Don't wait for others, because this is the life you have to move, and you are in that kind of boat, you have to move slightly. Yes, because everyone in the same boat, but you can be the best person, just trying to move your boat slightly and keep focusing on your journey and be dedicated towards your work, what you actually want in your life, just like you want to be speak in a very fluent way. But the thing is that you are not just trying to speak, only you are just scrolling phone and just writing on a piece of paper. Yes, except writing on the piece of paper, you have to just speak and deliver a such kind of topic. You have to pick topic and just trying to deliver or a mimic word in front of mirror or a camera. Then after sometimes you have to just watch your video, what the way you are speaking and what a kind of way you are just making mistake, then just trying to rectify every single day. Then you can trust, sooner or later you will see the bigger difference, and you realized you are speaking very well. Now it's 9 minutes past and I'm continuously speaking in front of you, because why? Because you are watching me, and every day you come and just trying to take a such kind of topic. So this is the topic of why the other people, why the most people stay average. You wanna be stay like a average? So please let me know in the comment section. If you want to be a perfect in your life or doing a great things, then you have to start from now, right here, right now. Now you can see my hands are right up in the air and I have nothing or such kind of script which I am seeing and just trying to deliver in front of you, because this is the worst thing. Yes, You have to just think your mind and just deliver, no matter what the way. And sometimes many people just trying to say you, hey buddy, what are you doing, man? You are just behaving like an insane person. Nobody, this is not an insane. If you do like in this insane way, then after a month or a 6 month, then those people are just trying to bully you, and they just will respect you. Yes, they will just respect you, and always they just trying to say you, I know you will do a great achievements in your life, I believe. Now finally you grabbed the success. Yes, this is the life phenomena. First day, some people are just trying to bully you, just trying to make fun of you. But if you are consistent, then the person just always trying to respect you. Yes, I face this situation. So that's why I'm just trying to make you understand, buddy. And now you can see this is also you can consider as a small blog or a small talk. Just I'm speaking in front of you, and there is no one on the terrace because it's a morning time. I have already performed the Fajr namaz. Then after prayed, then I come on the roof and starting this conversation with you. And trust me, no one can help you. Only the person you are, and you are just thinking about me. I always trying to help you. Yes, I always trying to help you. But the thing is that you have to doing a great effort by yourself. Only you can just trying to talk with me. And if it is any problem or any kind of situation you are facing still in your journey, then you can just write in the comment section. So in this way I can analyze and just trying to make you understand and give a suggestion, because you are my companion. I'm at your age, just like I'm 22. But right now right here you can also trying to talk and just trying to speak like in this way. If you do in this way, then the thing will happen perfectly in your life. But the thing is that you have to just stay out of your comfort zone. Don't be like in a comfort zone. You have to level up your knowledge. You have to get out the habit which always trying to pull you down. And don't procrastinate the things. Yes, don't procrastinate the thing. अपने कामों को टाल मटोल मत करो. Just trying to do without excuses. If you're just trying to give excuses, I have no perfect time, then trust me, no one can help you. You will become only average person, except the other who reflects in this world. Reflects means that a successful person which you just heard about their story. Why they become success? Because they still focus on their life, and just they just trying to stay out of of their comfort zone. So that thing made him differ than all, and we are just learning about their story. As I talk about the Ratan Tata, yes, why he became so professional or a more successful person or inspirational. The thing is that hard working and mindset is totally depends on their focus. And don't divert and always be think like a pro, don't think like a bad person. So this is the video which I have recorded at least 15 minutes. Now please let me know what you get from this video and what a type of skill you want to master. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to press the bell icon and also like. And I'll meet you in my next conversation. So goodbye, take care, bye for now.